Yes, I can be able to find and copy your PAWS deposit address on Bybit. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end. The first step you have to take now is to open up your Bybit app. Then what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see assets. So let me tap on assets. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on deposit. You can see it right there. So let me tap on deposit. Then the next step now is to select a payment method. The one you have to go for is deposit crypto. That's the last option. So let me tap on deposit crypto. Right here is the point where you have to select the coin that you want to copy its deposit address, and for this case we want to find the PAWS deposit address. So you have to scroll through to look for PAWS, and in case you can't find it easily, you can use the search icon to find it easily. Let me tap on the search icon at the top. Let me tap on it. Then what you can do now is to type in PAWS. So let me type in PAWS, PAWS. Then you tap on search. So guys, you can see the search result right there, PAWS. You can see the PAWS logo. So what you have to do is to tap on it to select it. So let me tap on it. You can see right here, that's your PAWS deposit address on Bybit. For you to copy it, what you simply have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side, or you can tap on the copy address you can see down there. So whichever one, just tap on it. So let me tap on copy address. You can see there at the top, copied successfully. So this is how you can be able to copy your PAWS deposit address on Bybit.